Hey, I'm Ben Munson from Industrial Equipment News. We recently got a chance to check out Formula E, the world's first fully electric racing series with cars that can hit speeds of up to 200 miles per hour, all powered by batteries. While we were at this year's U.S. Formula E race in Portland, Oregon, we had a chance to sit down with several executives from ABB, the title sponsor and official charging partner for Formula E. We were able to dig deeper into ABB's work with Formula E and how it fits with the company's broader efforts around vehicle charging and clean energy technology. Here's our interview with Catherine Daubert, Product Marketing Director for Smart Buildings at ABB.
EVE Systems is a German-based company with operations both in Germany and the US. What's really exciting is they're a consumer brand, which means that consumers know about them. They make smart home products, and products are in the energy efficiency space, so they make smart strips and plugs, also security, so cameras and sensors, and some control and monitoring products. So I'm in the smart buildings part of electrification, so we're really focused on safe, smart, sustainable buildings, both commercial and residential. EVE is exciting because it's cutting edge technology of matter and thread, which means interoperability of systems and devices across a threaded network. So that's exciting for us to have in our portfolio, and we hope to take that technology into other parts of our product line. Yeah, so thread is really the network of the actual devices so that the devices can talk to each other. It's not Bluetooth, it's thread. So it's more reliable, and it also can extend your network if you're far away from the router.
From a consumer standpoint, that sounds like it could simplify things, maybe make it less frustrating.
Less frustrating, more reliable, and then also the ability to actually be a more sustainable household, which is really exciting with energy costs going up.
What could that mean then from like a manufacturer's standpoint? I know they want to kind of own their own corner of the smart home market, right? But if their products can, work well with others in an actual smart home setting, does that simplify things for them?
Operating on the standard is good for everyone because one of the things is I think it reduces frustration in consumers. The fact that you can pull these products out of the box and it automatically works with Apple or Google or Alexa or Samsung devices, and you can have iPhones and Androids happily living in the same house. So from a consumer perspective, I think it's what people need, and that's going to be good for manufacturers. I think we all know, right, we're doubling our energy consumption as a planet by 2050, and for individual consumers in the US, there are different numbers, but about 70% of people already have some form of smart device, whether it's a speaker or Alexa or whatever. So people already have an appetite for it. I think the trick is to get them looking at the energy efficiency things as much as they are just asking Alexa what the weather is. And certainly thermostats have been a big one as an entry. And it's not just monitoring. I think that's the exciting part, is not just knowing when a door is open, but potentially changing how you're running your household when those things happen. So the automation that you can do at a residential level, I think that's where it's a little bit untapped, except with people that are really into smart devices.
Okay.